What is an object? Objects group together a set of variables and functions to create a model of something you would recognize from the real world. In an object, variables and functions take on new names. In an object, variables become known as properties. If a variable is part of an object, it's called a property. Properties tell us about the object, such as the name of a hotel or the number of rooms it has. Each individual hotel might have a different name and a different number of rooms. In an object, functions become known as methods. If a function is part of an object, it's called a method. Methods represent tasks that are associated with the object. For example, you can check how many rooms are available by subtracting the number of booked rooms from the number of total rooms. This object right here represents a hotel. It has 5 properties and 1 method. The object is in the curly braces. It is stored in a variable called hotel. Like variables and named functions, properties and methods have a name and a value. In an object, that name is called a key. An object cannot have 2 keys with the same name. This is because keys are used to access their corresponding values. The value of a property can be a string, number, Boolean, array, or even another object. The value of a method is always a function. Here with our hotel object, this object contains the following key value pairs. The key name and the value is a string. The key room and the value is a number. The key booked and the value is a number. The key pool and the value is a Boolean, and the key room types and the value is an array. And then we have this method down here. Programmers use a lot of name-value pairs. HTML uses attribute names and values. CSS uses property names and values. And in JavaScript, variables have a name and you can assign them a value of a string, number, or Boolean. Arrays have a name and a group of values. Each item in an array is a name-value pair because it has an index number and a value. Named functions have a name and value that is a set of statements to run if the function is called. Objects consist of a set of name-value pairs, but the names are referred to as keys.